Hey guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed already, let's get right into that. Make sure you hit the red button on that side. I think that's what it's going to be looking like, whichever side it falls. Just make sure you guys are subscribing as always, and thanks so much if you're already part of the family. Appreciate it. So today's video is going to be more of an unboxing video. I'm going to be showing you guys more like a haul. So I got a few pieces from Juvia'S place, and I know they're pretty popular now, so I don't need to do any introductions. I will put their website in the description box. So here we have it. This is the box that came in. I'm trying to show you guys my mailing address, so I'm just gonna flip it on this side. It came in this box packaged like that. I just slid it open and I have everything inside. So we're gonna go through them one by one. Hope you guys enjoy. So guys, I picked up these products I think about a couple weeks before now, and so I only picked one foundation and one concealer because I didn't need a lot. I already have a kit that I have, and because of COVID-19 we're stuck at home, makeup artists are kind of not working as much, so of course there's no need for me to stock right now because I still have products in that in my kit which are not done yet or not even close to done, but I only needed my personal foundation and concealer, so I picked one for myself. And so we're going to start with that, and then we can get into the rest of the stuff. So my shade I picked out was Kenya 200. Hopefully that's the right shade, and we will get to that probably in my next video. I will try it out so you guys can see if I picked out the right shade or not. There's a chart where you can tell if it's yours or not, or you can go by the colors. But I looked at most of the videos on the Instagram page, and then I kind of worked with what I had seen to figure out what shade would work. I looked at the people and I kind of figured out who will look more like me or something like that, and then I kind of worked with that color. So if I'm lucky, I'm lucky. If I'm not, I buy again. Unfortunately, that's just how you can really be sure of your shade. So it's Juvia'S Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in the shade Kenya 200. This is how it comes, and I'll do a swatch or a trial in probably my next video, so I'm not going to do that today. So that's the packaging that came in the box and that tube. Also have the concealer, beautiful packaging by the way, let me mention that. Same thing, Juvia'S Place I Am Magic Concealer, and then it came in that box as well, but this one comes in the shade 11. I think it's Magic Concealer 11. Yeah. This comes in the bottle, and I love that. I really love that. And then comes with the yeah. So I can just go in like that. I like that. Like this. If you're gonna use this, I wouldn't advise using that directly on a client. So yeah, I may get it for my kit. Not saying don't get it at all. I'm just saying I may get it, but I wouldn't directly apply it on a client. That's all I'm saying. Alright, so I picked up some highlighters as well. So this is the Heroine. I hope I'm mentioning it right. I think that's what it is. Heroine Glow 1 and 2. So that's what it is. Glow 1 comes with a yellow, and then the Glow 2 comes with the orange or peach, sort of a peach orange color. And that's the box it comes in. So I'll open Heroine 1. So Heroine 1 comes like that. Beautiful, guys. I don't know who is doing this, but whoever is in charge of marketing, display, branding, all that good stuff, you guys are doing a great job. I must give it to you. So that's the shade that it comes with. So I got that. 2, which happens to be actually a nicer shade if I'm concerned. I actually like and draw more closer to Heroine 2, and that's what it is. I told you Heroine 2 comes with the peachy orange sides of the packaging, but the boxes are pretty much the same. I mean, yeah, it's pretty much the same. And that's more of a pinkish highlighter. I will probably do a swatch so we see which one works better with my skin. We'll see. Going into the palettes I got. So I got the Saharan Blush Volume 2, guys. So let me just say this. I am so late when it comes to Juvia'S Place. I used to have a couple of the palettes. You've probably seen a couple of them of my videos. I use them a lot. But there's so many palettes that came up with later and later, and I just never got it. I'm just not good with shopping. I'm not the best when it comes to shopping. I'm not the type to shop all the time. So when I see things, I want it, but then it ends up in my cart and then I don't get to it until probably 2 years later, or I forget. So finally I decided to hit Juvia'S place, and so I picked a few palettes. So this is the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And of course it comes with the bubble wrap, which I like because I'm not trying to receive a new palette which is broken. So that's awesome. And then that's it right here. There's a plastic I'm trying not to lose. So here we have it. Beautiful shades, as you can see. And the shades are Yara, Sola, I'm not sure how to say that, Tau, whatever that is, Zoba, Lina. That's that. Took out the box. So I got the Warrior 3 by Juvia'S as well. I got called in by the colors, okay? So, I mean, whatever you guys are doing in Juvia'S place, warehouse, company, manufacturing, wherever, you guys are doing the best because you're definitely drawing in people with this whole brand, okay? You guys are doing something right. You've been doing it from the beginning, and it's just you. Whenever I see these, I know it's Juvia'S palettes. All right, so this is the Warrior 3 by Juvia'S. I'm not trying to lose the plastic, like I said. So here it is, guys. Look at that. It kind of reminds me, or kind of, you know, looks a little bit like the Jules Cosmetics palette, and I think somebody might have mentioned it at the beginning some time back, and I see nothing wrong with it. There's so many palettes out there that kind of look the same, so whatever. But I absolutely love the colors, and I love that one as well. I probably posted that, or you probably get to see that video as well. So awesome. Love it. Shades Masai, Nzinga, Kahina. I don't know where you guys are getting your names from, but okay. Kahina, Jarawa, Candace. I know that. Fanti, because I'm Fanti, so I like that. Congo, I know Congo, but with a C. I don't know where this K came from, but okay. Karama, Gola, whatever you guys are doing, I love it. I absolutely love this. Love, love, love it. Something like that. But anyways, so this is the Warrior 2 by Juvia'S place. Absolutely great for the warmer to darker tones. Yes, are you seeing that? Like, are you guys seeing that? Are you seeing it, or are you not? Like, do I get closer? Like, what? Do you guys see that? Love it. Love it. So the shades are Yodet, Kufuru, Walzana, Dora, Zama, Jamata, Shawata, Kana, Zaz. Y'all are gonna make me bite my tongue, for real. And then the final palette I got from them. Oh my god, this is my favorite. It's my favorite. It's my favorite. This can actually go for both an eyeshadow palette. This can actually go for both an eyeshadow palette and a highlighter palette. I can't stress that enough. This is my favorite pick out of everything. That is the Warriors. The Warriors. This is my favorite out of everything. Out of everything. Out of everything. Out of everything. This palette is beautiful. Hold up. Like right from the start. Can't you guys tell? I'm trying to open this, but I have to give you guys another one. Can't you guys tell from this what I'm about to show you? Can you tell? The glow. The glow. The glow. Yes. I'm having like this African vibe. Like, this is it for me. This is it. Like, I don't know if I should show you guys. Oh my god. Okay, I can definitely highlight with some of these shades right here. I can highlight with that. I can highlight with that. And I can play around with the rest. I can contour with that. Okay, even some people can contour with that. Like, and that brings me to the end of this video. So that's all the stuff I got from Juvia'S place. Super excited. I'm gonna be playing around with this in my next few videos, so watch out for those. I'm gonna try and record some makeup looks with them sometime this week. That way you guys can kind of have a better feel of the shades, the palette, the goodness, the sweetness, the beauty. So that's basically it. I'm gonna link their website down in the description box. If you've never tried their palettes, if you guys have any of these palettes, let me know in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about it. Are you like me? Are you vibing like me? Like, do you get the whole point? Do you get what I'm saying? Do you have the same feel? All that being said, I'm closing out this video, and if you've not subscribed, like I mentioned in the beginning, make sure you subscribe now. Okay? Like, comment, and of course share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And as always, you're allowed to what? Dream it, you're allowed to what? Speak it, and you're definitely allowed to live it. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Mwah. On, and I'll be right back.